Lesson 9: Latest Trends of IT. Introduction. Technology is now evolving at such a rapid pace that annual predictions of trends can seem outdated before they even go live as a published blog, post, or article. As technology evolves, it enables even faster change and progress, causing the acceleration of the rate of change until eventually it will become exponential. Technology-based careers don't change at that same speed, but they do evolve, and the savvy IT professional recognizes that his or her role will not stay the same. The IT worker of the 21st century will constantly be learning out of necessity, if not desire. What does this mean for you? It means staying current with technology trends, and it means keeping your eyes on the future to know which skills you will need to know and what type of jobs you want to be qualified to do. Here is 8 of the latest trends in IT is explained. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has already received a lot of buzz in recent years, but it continues to be a trend to watch because its effects on how we live, work, and play are only in the early stages. In addition, other branches of AI have developed, including machine learning, which we'll go into below. AI refers to computers' systems built to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks such as recognition of images, speech or patterns, and decision-making. AI can do these tasks faster and more accurately than humans. In addition to consumer use, AI is used to schedule trains, access business risk, predict maintenance, and improve energy efficiency, among many other money-saving tasks. AI is one part of what we refer to broadly as automation, and automation is a hot topic because of potential job loss. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI. With machine learning, computers are programmed to learn to do something they are not programmed to do. They literally learn by discovering patterns and insights from data. In general, we have 2 types of learning: supervised and unsupervised. While machine learning is a subset of AI, we also have subsets within the domain of machine learning, including neural networks, natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning. Each of these subsets offers an opportunity for specializing in a career field that will only grow. Machine learning is rapidly being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. The machine learning market is expected to grow to $8.81 billion by 2022. Machine learning applications are used for data analytics, data mining, and pattern recognition. On the consumer end, machine learning powers web search results, real-time ads, and network intrusion detection, to name only a few of the many tasks it can do. Robotic process automation. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. These are not just the menial tasks of a low-paid worker. Up to 45% of activities we do can be automated, including the work of financial managers, doctors, and CEOs. Although Forrester Research estimates RPA automation will threaten the livelihood of 230 million or more knowledge workers, or approximately 9% of the global workforce. RPA is also creating new jobs while altering existing jobs. Blockchain. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrency names as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you are making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are consensus-driven, As explained in this Forbes article, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. This heightened security is why blockchain is used for cryptocurrency and why it can play a significant role in protecting information such as personal medical data. Blockchain could be used to drastically improve the global supply chain as described here, as well as protect assets such as art and real estate. And as the use of blockchain technology increases, so too does the demand for skilled professionals. In that regard, we are already behind. According to TechCrunch, blockchain-related jobs are the second fastest growing category of jobs, with 14 job openings for every one blockchain developer. The job of a developer is not the only one available in the blockchain space. However, employers are also looking for software engineers, consultants, and project managers. Jobs are available at financial institutions, but also in retail and healthcare, and soon probably manufacturing as well. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed open IT architecture that features decentralized processing power, enabling mobile computing and Internet of Things (IoT) technologies. In edge computing, data is processed by the device itself or by a local computer or server rather than being transmitted to a data center. Formerly a technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream with major players AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft and Google Cloud dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as businesses migrate to a cloud solution. Edge computing enables data stream acceleration, including real-time data processing without latency. It allows smart applications and devices to respond to data almost instantaneously as it's being created, eliminating lag time. This is critical for technologies such as self-driving cars and has equally important benefits for business. Edge computing allows for efficient data processing in that large amount of data can be processed near the source, reducing internet bandwidth usage. This both eliminates cost and ensures that applications can be used effectively in remote locations. In addition, the ability to process data without ever putting it into a public cloud adds a useful layer of security for sensitive data. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality immerses the user in an environment, while augmented reality enhances their environment. Although VR has primarily been used for gaming, thus far, it has also been used for training, as with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train US Navy, Army, and Coast Guard ship captains. The popular Pokemon Go is an example of AR. Both have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitation after an injury. Either could be used to train doctors to do surgery, offer museum goers a deeper experience, enhance theme parks, or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max bus shelter. These are major players in the VR market like Google, Samsung, and Oculus, but plenty of startups are forming and they will be hiring or trying to in light of the shortage. Getting started in VR doesn't require a lot of specialization knowledge. Basic programming skills and a forward-thinking mindset can land a job, although other employers will be looking for optics as a skilled set and hardware engineers as well.
Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like emerging technology given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That's in part because threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's also in part because new technology is being adapted to enhance security. 3 of those advancements are hardware, authentication, cloud technology,
and deep learning.
according to one expert. Another adds data loss prevention and behavioral analytics to the list. As long as we have hackers, we will have cybersecurity as an emerging technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers. As proof of the strong need of cybersecurity professionals, the number of cybersecurity jobs is growing 3 times faster than other tech jobs. However, we are falling short when it comes to filling those jobs. As a result, it's predicted that we will have 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs by 2021.
Internet of Things. How IoT works. An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environments. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although people can interact with the devices. For instance, to set them up, give them instructions, or access the data. The connectivity, networking, and communication protocols used with these web-enabled devices largely depend on the specific IoT applications deployed. Why IoT is important? The Internet of Things helps people live and work smarter as well as gain complete control over their lives. In addition to offering smart devices to automate homes, IoT is essential to business. IoT provides businesses with a real-time look into how their company's systems really work, delivering insights into everything from the performance of machines to supply chain and logistics operations. IoT enables companies to automate processes and reduce labor cost. It also cuts down on waste and improves service delivery, making it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods, as well as offering transparency into customer transactions. IoT touches every industry, including healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Smart cities help citizens reduce waste and energy consumption, and connected sensors are even used in farming to help monitor crop and cattle yields and predict growth patterns. As such, IoT is one of the most important technologies of everyday life, and it will continue to pick up steam as more businesses realize the potential of connected devices to keep them competitive. Quick recap. AI refers to computer systems built to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks such as recognition of images, speech or patterns, and decision-making. Machine learning is a subset of AI. With machine learning, computers are programmed to learn to do something they are not programmed to do. They literally learn by discovering patterns and insights from data. We have 2 types of learning, supervised and unsupervised. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. Blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you are making a chain of data.